Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American bookstore. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the bookstore staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What do you call the small card that a bookstore worker writes by hand? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, Ken, this bookstore is so big.
It is. I think there are 3 floors. Look at this table by the door.
All the books here are in big piles. They look new.
They are new. The store puts the newest books right at the front.
There is a small sign on the table. It says, "New this Tuesday."
Yes, in America, most new books come out on Tuesday.
On Tuesday? Why Tuesday?
It is common in the book business, but it is not a rule.
So, all of these books came out 3 days ago?
Right, and next Tuesday, this table will change again.
That is interesting. At home, new books come out on any day.
So here, if you come every Tuesday, you always see something new.
I like that idea, but today I am not here for a new book.
I know. Tell me again, what are we looking for?
A book about American national parks. It is a present for my father.
A birthday present?
Yes, his birthday is next Sunday.
Does he like parks?
He loves them. He watches shows about mountains almost every night.
Then he will be happy. Do you know the title?
I wrote it on my phone, the title and the writer's name.
Good. Then we can show it to someone.
Ken, wait. Look at this book here.
What about it?
There is a small card in it. Someone wrote on it by hand.
Let me see. It says, "I read this in one night."
It is not printed. That is real handwriting.
You're right, and there's a little star at the end.
Who writes these cards? A worker here?
Maybe, I'm not sure.
It feels like a friend is telling me about the book.
It works. Now you want to read it.
A little, but first, my father's book.
Here we are. This part is very quiet.
The sign on the side says fiction, A to Z.
So all the novels are here.
The title of my father's book starts with N, National.
Are you looking under N?
Yes, this shelf has M, N, and O.
Mina, wait a minute.
What?
These letters are not for the title.
They are not?
No. In this store, fiction is by the writer's last name, not the title.
The writer's last name?
Yes. Look here. Miller, Moore, Nelson, Owen. Those are last names.
Oh, so the N is for Nelson, not for national.
Right. If you know the title but not the writer, it is hard.
I have the writer's name on my phone. Her last name is Park.
Then she should be one shelf down, near P.
Let me look. Palmer, Perry, Porter, no Park.
Wait, What kind of book is it?
It has photos of parks and maps.
Mina, that is not a novel.
It is not?
No, novels are made-up stories. Your book is a real book about real places.
So it is not fiction at all?
Right. Books like this go in a different part by what they are about.
Then where is it?
I don't know, but the front desk will know.
Ken, I don't want to ask.
Why not?
My English is not good, and the worker is busy.
He is not busy. That is his job. He waits for questions all day.
But what if he doesn't understand me?
Then you show him your phone. You have the title and the name.
Will you come with me?
Not this time. You can do it. Just say, "Excuse me, do you have this book?"
Excuse me, do you have this book?
Perfect. Go. I will wait at the back of the store.
Excuse me.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Excuse me. Do you have this book?
Let me see. Ah, you have it on your phone. That is easy for me.
The title is here, and this is the writer's name.
Great. Let me type it in. One moment.
Thank you. I am sorry, my English is not so good.
Your English is fine. I understood you.
Really?
Really. And here it is on my screen. Is this the one?
Yes, that is the cover, the green one with the mountain.
We have 2 in the store right now.
2? That is good news.
It says here, travel, aisle 9.
Travel? Not fiction.
No, it is a travel book, so it is with the maps and the guides.
Oh no, my friend and I looked at the fiction shelves for 20 minutes.
A lot of people do that.
I feel a little silly.
Don't. You gave me the title and the writer. That is easy for me.
Is it always easy?
No, some people only say it is blue.
Blue? Just blue?
Just blue. It is a blue book. My sister read it last year.
What do you do then?
I ask questions. Big or small, new or old, a story or a real story.
And do you find it?
Often, yes, maybe 7 times out of 10.
That is amazing.
It is my favorite part of the job, so never think your question is too small.
Thank you. I was afraid to ask you.
Please ask. A quiet customer walks for an hour. A customer who asks walks for 2 minutes.
That is true. I walked for a long time.
Go to the back of the store and turn left. Aisle 9. Travel.
Aisle 9. Turn left at the back.
That's it. And the parks books are on the middle shelf.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Come back if it is not there.
Excuse me, is this the travel part?
Yes, travel is here, aisle 9.
Good. My friend is looking for a book about national parks.
We have a lot of those, right here on this shelf.
Thank you. Are you working on this shelf now?
I am. I check every book one by one.
Every book? Why?
People take a book, walk around, and put it back in the wrong place.
Every day?
Every day, I find travel books in the cooking part and cookbooks here.
That sounds like a lot of walking.
It is, but I like it. I see every book in my aisle.
Can I ask you one more thing?
Sure.
This little card here in front of this book, did you write this?
I did. That is my handwriting.
My friend saw one at the front of the store. She asked who writes them.
We all do. Every worker here can write one.
Is there a name for these cards?
Yes, we call it a shelf talker.
A shelf talker?
The shelf can't talk, so we talk for it. That is the idea.
I like that name, a shelf talker.
We only write them for books we really read. No ads, no big words, just my own words.
Does it help?
It does. When I put one card on a book, it sells much better.
How much better?
I can't say a number, but it helps a lot. Same book, same price, new card.
That is amazing. One small card changes everything.
People trust a person more than a poster. Now, what was the title again?
1 second. The title starts with national. The writer's last name is Park.
Park. National. Ah, here. Is this the one? Green cover.
That is it. My friend will be so happy.
There you go. Take it.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. I am Rita, by the way.
Thank you, Rita. I will tell my friend.
Ken, there you are. The man at the desk said aisle 9.
I know, and look what I have.
The green book, you found it?
A worker found it for me. Her name is Rita.
Thank you, Ken. My father will love this.
And I learned something. You know those little cards?
The handwritten ones? Yes.
They have a name. They call them shelf talkers.
Shelf talkers?
Rita said the shelf can't talk, so we talk for it.
That is a lovely name. Shelf talker.
And look at this shelf here. The sign says staff picks.
Staff picks? So these are the books the workers like?
Right. Every book here has a shelf talker on it.
There are so many. Let me read some.
Take your time.
This one says, I cried on the last page. Sorry.
This one says, do not start this at night. You will not sleep.
They are so honest. This is not like an ad.
No ad says, sorry, I cried.
Ken, look at this card. It has the same handwriting.
Let me see. Yes, that is Rita's card. Same stars.
It says, this is a small book about a small town. I read it twice.
She said she only writes cards for books she really read.
Twice. She read it twice.
Are you going to buy it?
Maybe?
You said maybe with the book in your hands.
I know, but I only came for one book.
And now you have 2.
It is a small book. It is not heavy.
That card did its job.
It really did. Rita is good at this.
Now let's take a break before we pay. There is a cafe upstairs.
A cafe inside the bookstore?
Yes, come on.
This cafe is nice, and it is right next to the books. Ken, everyone here is reading.
Of course. It is a bookstore cafe.
But that woman has 5 books on her table. Did she buy all of them?
Probably not.
Then she can't do that, right?
She can. Some big bookstores let you read a book here before you pay.
Before you pay?
Yes, this store does.
Really? Nobody gets angry?
Nobody. The store wants you to stay. If you stay, you buy more.
That is smart. But is there a rule?
One big rule. If you spill your coffee on it, you buy it.
Oh, wait.
What are you doing?
I am moving my cup far away.
Now your cup is at the far end of our table.
It is safe there. This book is for my father.
The workers watch a little, you know. They look at the cup and the book.
Then my cup is perfect where it is.
Okay, now open the green book. Let's see it.
All right. Oh, the photos are beautiful.
Look at this page. The trees are so tall.
And here is a map of all the parks.
There are more than 60 of them.
Ken, look at this park here, in the north, with the big lake.
What about it?
My father talks about this one. He has talked about it for years.
Really?
He said, one day I will walk there every time he sees it on TV.
Then this is the right present.
Now I am happy. I was not sure before.
There's a map of the walking paths, too. He will read this page many times.
I hope so. Careful, don't fold the page.
I know. We have not paid yet.
Right. Let's finish our coffee and go pay.
Hi there. Did you find everything today?
Yes, thank you. 2 books, please. The green one is a present.
Nice. And this small one. Oh, this one.
Do you know it?
I know the card on it. That is Rita's shelf talker.
Yes, we met her in the travel aisle.
When Rita puts a card on a book, it sells so fast.
Really?
Really. Last month, she put a card on a book nobody wanted. We sold 30 of them.
30? Because of one small card?
Because of one small card. Now, you said one of these is a gift.
Yes, the green one. It is for my father's birthday.
Then I will add a gift receipt.
A gift receipt? What is that?
It is a second receipt with no price on it.
No price?
Right. Give it to your father with the book. He can see the store but not the price.
Why does he need it?
If he already has this book, he can return it and choose another one. He never knows the price.
That is a very good idea. I have not seen that at home.
Many people ask for it here. Do you want one?
Yes, please.
Sure. It comes out with your receipt.
Thank you. How much is it all together?
Do you need a bag? Our bags are 10 cents.
Yes, please. 1 bag.
Your total is $32.60.
Here you are, $40.
Thank you. Your change is $7.40. And here are both receipts.
Thank you.
And here, take 2 bookmarks. Those are free.
Free? Thank you.
Have a great day. Say hi to your father.
I will, and thank you for your help. I was afraid to ask questions today.
Don't be. Ask us anything. That is why we're here.
I know that now. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Come back on a Tuesday. The new books come out.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What do you call the small card that a bookstore worker writes by hand? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.